What if you could travel through time to witness the greatest moments in human history? From the dawn of civilization to the rise of empires, from groundbreaking inventions to the shaping of the modern world. Our story is one of triumph, resilience, and unyielding progress. Our story begins over 12,000 years ago, when humanity transitioned from nomadic lifestyles to settled communities. The Fertile Crescent, often called the cradle of civilization, became home to the earliest agricultural societies. Mesopotamia, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, was where humanity first began to write its story, quite literally with the invention of cuneiform writing. Farming and irrigation allowed populations to grow, and the domestication of animals brought new tools for agriculture and transport. These innovations set the stage for future civilizations. As civilizations flourished, they left their marks in ways that still awe us today. Ancient Egypt gave us the pyramids and hieroglyphs. Greece introduced democracy, philosophy, and the Olympic Games. Meanwhile, the Roman Empire's engineering marvels, like aqueducts and roads, connected vast territories. Philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle explored questions that still shape how we think about life, ethics, and governance. Their ideas laid the groundwork for Western philosophy and science. In the East, Chinese dynasties like the Han and Tang brought incredible innovations: paper, silk, and even early forms of printing. The Silk Road connected continents, fostering trade and cultural exchange. It's through these interactions that knowledge and ideas spread globally. Across the oceans, the Americas were home to advanced civilizations like the Maya, Aztecs, and Inca. They built monumental cities, developed complex calendars, and thrived in challenging environments. The Middle Ages saw the rise of kingdoms, castles, and the spread of major religions. Islam, Christianity, and Buddhism influenced millions, shaping societies and sparking intellectual pursuits. While Europe endured the so-called Dark Ages, the Islamic Golden Age preserved and expanded upon Greek and Roman knowledge, making advancements in mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. The Renaissance marked a rebirth of art, science, and exploration. Visionaries like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo redefined art, while scientists like Galileo and Copernicus challenged the way we understood the universe. This era also marked the Age of Exploration, where navigators like Christopher Columbus and Ferdinand Magellan expanded the known world. These voyages brought both discovery and conflict, forever altering the course of history. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in history. With the advent of machines, industries boomed and cities grew rapidly. Steam engines revolutionized transportation, and factories changed the way goods were produced. For the first time, human labor was supplemented by machines, increasing efficiency and sparking waves of migration to urban centers. This era also brought challenges, such as harsh working conditions and environmental changes. Innovations in communication, like the telegraph, brought people closer than ever before. Photography captured moments in time, preserving history as it unfolded. The 20th century brought both innovation and conflict. Two world wars reshaped borders, societies, and ideologies. The Cold War fueled competition in technology and space exploration. In 1969, humanity took a giant leap as Neil Armstrong walked on the moon, symbolizing the power of human ambition and ingenuity. Today, we live in a digitally connected world where technology evolves at an unprecedented pace. The internet, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy are shaping the future. But with progress comes responsibility. Challenges like climate change and inequality remind us that the choices we make today will define the legacy we leave for future generations. Humanity's journey is one of resilience, creativity, and progress. From the first spark of civilization to the interconnected world we know today, our story is far from over. As we write the next chapter, what will our legacy be? The future is in our hands.